Hi everyone, so I just want to show you some of the new Antonio makes kit. This is for his VIP kit, so you need to become a VIP, but I'm just going to show you some of the things I've made with it, and then I'll take you through the actual March VIP kit. And he's got some Easter things in there, some spring things in there, and obviously you need to be a VIP in order to get these papers. But they are beautiful, and he does bring out lovely papers, I have to say, so it's definitely worth doing it. I'm also going to go through with you what you get when you sign up with him, when you sign up with his subscription, because you do get quite a lot of stuff. It's not just, you know, you pay and you get one kit a month, that's it. You know what I mean? You get, there's other stuff as well. So this is something I've made using one of his March, one of the papers from his March kit. So it's just a cute little box. There's a tutorial for this going up. This is the floral typewriter kit. You've got the little typewriter there. That was actually off one of the tags. And then this was on the papers. And then I've just used some paper flowers that I had from, they were Trimcraft ones actually, from a while ago. And some little bows that I was given. So yeah, and then you've obviously got this lid here. And I haven't decorated the insides on this one. Just kept it plain. I've decorated the inside of the lids. So you've got a little typewriter there underneath. But yeah, so that's that box. And then this one, these papers aren't, these are Craft Sensations, but these beautiful lilac papers here, these are, look at that, how nice are those papers, oh my days. So these ones are from Antonio Makes, and again, this is part of his March VIP digital kit. And so with this one I've actually lined it, so these are actually Craft Sensation papers inside. But yeah, as you can see, they are beautiful papers. Oh my goodness gracious. So that is that's all I've managed to make so far using his kit. I love it, absolutely love it. So yeah, so I'm going to show you through the kit now, and then I'll come back at the end and talk you through a bit more. Okay, so we're going to start with the floral typewriter pack. So these are some tags. And some more tags. These are beautiful. And then this paper here, now again, this is going to look slightly different on my computer to what it looks like on the screen, so you just have to bear with me, because obviously this is, you know, on the screen it's not, the colors aren't as good. In real life these papers look amazing. Okay, now I've already printed some of these off already, but it just gives you a bit of an idea as to what they look like. You will have seen some of these as well on my boxes. That was that lilac one that I used for my live stream gift box, and that one as well I used on the live stream gift box, so I shall show you those in a bit. And then there's also these which you can cut out and use, and these papers obviously go nicely with them. This was that milk box thing that I showed you, obviously from a previous kit. And these typewriters here are what I used on the, I cut them out and used them on the squares of my gift box. And then this is the Easter treats kit. I'm yet to use these, but I really want to. I love these papers. There's a cute little gift box again here, which I'm definitely gonna have. I think I'm gonna make a little box with that. Some really nice papers again. I like that all of these three, they all go together, which is great. Some little pouches, little rabbits on, again really cute. Another little kind of like envelopey type box, really sweet. So that's your Easter treats set. So really, some really nice things, and this is all on the VIP kits. Okay, so that's the March kit and the Easter kit that goes with it as well. So on screen now, I'm going to put up all the benefits of having a VIP subscription with Antonio Makes. They'll be coming up on the screen now. There's lots of things on there, you know, discounts off the site and all kinds of things. You get freebies, there's all kinds of stuff you can get. It's only £45 a year, £45 a year, that's a bargain. If you use my code Louise10, you'll get 10% off your offer of that, so it'll be £40.50, so even more of a bargain. And don't forget as well, you can use my discount whenever you go online onto his site to, you know, get 10% off. So just don't forget to use Louise10 and that will get you 10% off. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Nice and short, but to the point, and just to give you a little bit of a, you know, breakdown as to the things that he does. As I said, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can download his kits. So it doesn't matter if you're on some remote island in the middle of the Pacific. And my geography's rubbish, but anyway. But if you're in the middle of anywhere, as long as you've got internet connection and you have a computer and you have a printer, you can have his papers. Because all you need to do is go on to www.antoniomakes.com, have a look through, see which ones you want, choose what you want, stick it in the basket, and then use my code Louise10, which gets you 10% off. And then he will then send you the link to the files. And then all you do is download them and then print them off. It's that easy. And the other thing I like about this as well is the fact that you can print off as much or as little as you want. So for example, say for example you weren't that keen on these papers, but you absolutely love these, you could print, you know, 4 sheets, 5 sheets, whatever you want of these, and not print those. So it's a win-win. So it just means you're not cluttering up your craft room with stuff you know you're not going to use, but you're printing off what, you know. And maybe you get to, you know what it is when you buy a pad of paper and there's only 2 sheets per per design, but you need 3. Well, you don't have that problem with this because you can print that extra sheet off. So this is why I like these kits. I think they're just really good value for money. You've always got them. You can always use them. Once you've paid for it, that's it. So what is there not to like? So yeah, so get over to antoniomakes.com. Use my code Louise10. Get yourself 10% off the subscription fee. Get yourself 10% off the kits. Have fun. So yeah, hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Leave your notification. Leave your comment down below. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video. And we'll see you next time. Bye.